Hi there. So I'm stuck in Flagstaff, Arizona. It's winter here. Doing some, going to do some media work, and the video shoot got canceled today. It's a little bit of snow. I think we got. I'm gonna call this a blizzard. I don't know what the technical definition is for a blizzard, but I don't mean to exaggerate too much. It's quite wintry though, and you can see you got almost a foot last night. It's really cold, way below freezing. And yeah, basically it's supposed to snow more and more all today and tomorrow. Airport shut down. I'm actually stranded here. I'm gonna go try to find some lunch downtown here. Check out, see if any places are open. I think they closed down school today too. Can't get a pita today. Yes, did you make it? Oh, that's nice. I like it. Impressive. Doesn't kill you. Ice, baby, ice. See if we can find some food. Had a really good soba noodle ramen place downtown here. Head towards the train tracks more down this street. Good to see the bus line, hybrid electric. It's running downtown still. Some good public transportation. Here's the main train track intersection here. Main Street. Trains across the way there. I think maybe the soba Zope. So I got this SUV So You're Vegan bowl, and it's really good. It's got rice noodles, and then I added some tofu to it. Tofu's great. Nice hot broth, ramen broth, on a very cold day. I enjoy it. Walk around more today. It's the real news, real weather report. Get all the news I need from the weather report. So yeah, I did a run this morning on the hotel treadmill. So when you're trying to run fast, I did a workout on the treadmill yesterday morning as well. So when you're trying to run fast, you know, low 5-minute mile pace, low 3-minute kilometer pace, it's not worth the injury risk on snow and ice. Plus you just can't find anywhere that they've plowed very easily in this type of weather conditions. So this afternoon I'll probably put in another 4 or 5 miles, 7 or 8K after that 20K this morning, 12 miles on the treadmill, the dreadmill. It's quite monotonous, but I jam out to music, got my playlist mixed, and yeah, then maybe hopefully get some dinner, maybe some vegan pizza tonight. Would be nice. I really like the pizza patio. See what the day holds. Alright, so it's nighttime now. I'm gonna go try to pick up some pizza from the pizza patio. Hope they're open. I ordered online for takeout. And I ended up running up on the treadmill again. 17 miles for the day, 4 kilometers on the treadmill. Got a little monotonous, but listen to music. And yeah, it hasn't stopped snowing really all day. And it's quite cold out. So find some pizza and beer. It's back at the hotel. Maybe not the most healthy vegan meal, but I love vegan pizza. Got a calzone today. Vegan calzone, I'll bite into it, show you. Also these mozzarella sticks. Vegan. And then even this Rice Krispie treat made with vegan marshmallows. And of course, got an Arizona local beer here. Should be good though. Good meal. Final blog post. Stranded in Flagstaff. Same weather prediction tomorrow. It might snow another foot. I don't know what that is in centimeters. I'll convert it up here, but probably going to be running on the treadmill again. Log in easy miles after the Moab Red Hot 55K Ultra. Haven't done any fast workouts, but I need to work on that flat speed. And you know what? The treadmill's pretty flat. It's pretty flat and runnable, which is good because Rotterdam is also pretty flat. And so trying to run with good form, engage my glutes. There's gonna be more content coming your way from Coach Sandy, co-owner of sagerunning.com as well. And yeah, you know, with the whole foods plant-based diet, you obviously want to eat more whole vegetables and fruits and not so much refined grains like pizza and pasta all the time. But what can I say? I'm not perfect. My calzone is stuffed full of vegetables. I will show you. It's got arugula and like garlic in it and marinara tomato sauce. Is that a fruit or vegetable? Something like that. So also staying hydrated with drinking a lot of water during the day. It gets pretty dry out in these types of climates, although we're getting dumped on with snow. So something you gotta adjust to. I'm at altitude at 7,000 feet here in Flagstaff, so got that going for me. But yeah, eager to fly back home to Colorado, Boulder, where it's actually warmer right now. Thanks for following along. Really appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe on here for more videos. We're going to be doing more tutorials, coaching videos, hopefully some faster workout videos as I gear up for Rotterdam in 7 weeks, and some more travels as well, so you guys can see that. Hope your running's going well. Check out our website, sagerunning.com, for training plans. We sell any surface, any distance training plans. Coach Sandy and I have developed these plans, different levels from super advanced to more beginner plans, free aerobic base building plans, things like that. Thanks again, and see you next time.